Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how to replace your battery. You've done the test, you found out that your battery needs to be replaced because it's bad, and you're going to go ahead and we're just going to go ahead and remove this battery and put a battery back in. So to start with, we're going to disconnect the battery cables. It has been recommended that you disconnect the negative first and then the positive. And so you're going to need your number 10 nut driver or socket. You just got to loosen enough that it'll come off the post. There we go. I'm going to put it aside. We've got the positive undone, we've got the negative undone. Last thing is on this, there's a bolt down here that's 13 millimeter with a metal plate, and it holds this battery in here. It holds it against the plate on this side and a plate on this side, and there's little ridges on the edge of your battery that holds it all in place. So you got to loosen that, and that's a size 13 socket, but you're going to need some decent amount of extension on it to be able to get down in there. So that's been removed, and we've got a handy handle here. We're just going to go ahead and pull the battery out. So we've got our new battery. And like I said, we're going to put this back in, and this slip here, we're going to push to this side. So we just lower it in the hole, slide it to the left, and then, like I said, this lip here, we're going to want to put down in there and put this bolt in and line it up to the side here. You can use a magnet. Get it down there, get it started a little bit, and then you just go ahead and put your socket down and start it up. Okay, good and tight. Just want to make sure that it's not moving in here, so it's all good. Then we go ahead and connect the positive and tighten that up. And you tighten that up, and that's how you would replace your battery on your vehicle. This battery is it's a H8 or an NTP 49. And that's how you replace it. Everything's good to go, and you should be able to just go ahead and start your car and be able to be back on your merry way. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.